In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a collaborator's permissions in Airtable. Airtable makes it easy to control who can view, edit, or manage your data, and adjusting permissions is an important part of keeping your workspace organized and secure. If you work with teammates, clients, or other collaborators, it's a good idea to review access levels from time to time, so each person has the right level of control based on their role. To get started, open the Airtable workspace or base where the collaborator currently has access. Make sure you're in the correct location before making any changes, since permissions can affect what someone is able to do inside that specific workspace or base. Taking a moment to confirm this can help you avoid updating access in the wrong place. Once you're inside, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Share. This is where Airtable keeps the sharing and access settings for the workspace or base. When the sharing panel opens, you'll be able to see who currently has access and what level of permission each person has. Under the section labeled People with Access, find the collaborator whose permissions you want to change. It helps to read carefully here, especially if several people have similar roles. You want to be sure you're editing the correct person's access before moving forward. Next, click on that collaborator's current permission level. This will open the available permission options that Airtable allows for that person. Depending on your setup, these permission levels may range from more limited access, such as view only, to broader access that allows editing or managing content. Choose the permission level that fits what that collaborator should be able to do. After selecting the new permission level, save your changes. This final step is important because the update won't take effect until it's saved. Once saved, the collaborator's access will be updated based on the permission level you selected. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to grant the lowest level of access someone needs to do their work effectively. That helps reduce accidental changes and keeps your data better protected. And that's it. You've successfully changed a collaborator's permissions in Airtable.